Ah, that's a good cup of joe. You know, you might like coffee, but are you coffee worthy? All right, I admit it, I do love coffee, but not just coffee. I love, frankly, what coffee represents. Coffee is about spending time with people you like. It's about laughing and deep conversations. It's about donuts and breakfast. And coffee is about good friends. Now, I enjoy a good cup of coffee, but what do I enjoy even more? A good cup of coffee with a friend.
Latte? And an iced tea. I get pretty good at this.
Excellent.
Good for me.
Now, there's a message here for sales professionals. Sometimes we meet a prospect for the first time and we get confused about our early goals. Am I supposed to fall in love? Am I looking for my new BFF? How about a vacation buddy? Hardly. I think we can simplify our early goal by asking this question. Am I coffee worthy? Now, what do I mean by that? Well, think of it this way. What are some of the attributes of the type of person that you would want to sit down and have a cup of coffee with? Would you say that person would be kind, interesting, interested, fun, caring, a great listener, empathetic, fully engaged? Hey, look, take a look at that list and let me ask you a question. Did we not just define the world's greatest salesperson? That's what Coffee Worthy is all about. We're 2 minutes into the sales conversation. Am I the kind of person that the prospect would want to sit down and have a cup of coffee with? That's it. You know, every now and then I'll meet with a crusty veteran salesperson who says something like this. I don't care if they like me. I just want them to buy from me. Look, is it possible to sell to someone who doesn't like you? As a matter of fact, it is. But it's really, really hard. And here's the thing. We enjoy our jobs so much more when we're dealing with people who are kind, who are nice, who are interesting, who are coffee worthy. My mother once said to me, you want to have a good friend? Be a good friend. Same thing applies here. What you want to do in the sales office is to display the very attributes that you want your customer to have. Now, when you do, amazing things happen. You can change the attitude of a customer with your coffee-worthy approach. It's like the barista at the coffee house who cares about more than just making your coffee, or the food server who compliments your wine choice and actually means it, or the front desk clerk at the hotel who is genuinely interested in your travel story. So there you have it. That's your early goal. Well, look, we have clients all over the world who know what it means, exactly what it means when we say coffee worthy. I got to put that on a t-shirt. That's it for another episode of the 5-Minute Sales Training. Stay tuned and learn more to earn more.